In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer a folder from laptop to laptop. So here, if you've got a folder full of files that you need to transfer from your laptop to another, you can do it wirelessly and you can do it for free using this method. So here are my files. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I would transfer it. So what you need to do is open up a web browser, and if you've already got a Google account or you're logged into any Google services, you can go to Google Apps in the top right and then click on Drive. You may have to scroll down to find it, but mine is here, we can open it. Now I've got Drive open, what we can essentially do is use this as a file hosting platform so we can share our files through this. So what you need to do is go to My Drive, and then I would open up a new folder. So if you go to New in the top left-hand corner, you can create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this Laptop Transfer. You can then click Create, and then it will open up the folder, double click in it, and here what you need to do is simply open up your File Explorer, then go to your desktop or your file location. Now we've got this folder, we can just simply drag it straight into the laptop transfer folder. By doing this method, you can transfer up to 15 GB at a time. Once you've got these files here in the folder, so here is our folder called Laptop Transfer, what you would do is log into this on your new laptop. So let's say we've now logged in onto the new laptop, we've then come back to Drive. What we can do now is simply right click on the folder, we can then click Download, and it will then download the entire contents of this folder to our new computer. Here you can see that it's zipping, and then it will download. This will go into the Downloads folder of our computer, so we can access it by going to this PC and then Downloads. Here you can see we've got the zip file. So what I could do is I could move this to my desktop, and then I can right click and go ahead and extract all. Here we've got the laptop transfer folder, and inside of this folder we've got our files, which we can go ahead and drag into any other new folder on our new computer.